Let's turn back to your local forecast now. It's a really gray and gloomy day out there, and some thunderstorms tomorrow expecting too, Lindsey. What's going on?
It's going to feel like spring tomorrow, which I'm happy about. Not so happy about the fact that it's often a rocky transition. You know, we go from these really above average temperatures to back to normal. And we have, you know, that time frame when some storms could develop along that boundary. So let's get you updated on what we can expect. Some pretty big changes over the next 36 hours. Here we go outside now. This is your satellite picture where a thick cloud deck remains in place. Over the next several hours, we'll see a little bit of some breakage here, but overall going to stay mainly cloudy today. We've rebounded to 44 in Indianapolis. Shelbyville's at 46. It's 43 as we head down to Columbus right now. And then the evening tonight, lots of folks in town for the Big Ten tournament. Couple of games tonight, Northwestern versus Minnesota. That tip-off is at 6 p.m. We'll be at 51, still mainly cloudy. And then as soon as that game wraps, Nebraska versus Indiana as we fall into the upper 40s as we see that sky slowly clearing out later on this evening. Here's Future Track 13. For the rest of the day, notice that slow recovery back into the lower 50s around 5 p.m. A dry evening commute home. A stray shower, though, possible as we get into the late evening overnight, right around midnight, especially to areas north for places like Lafayette to Kokomo. And then through the overnight, we're going to stay somewhat mild as we fall back into the 40s. And that's what we'll start the day tomorrow. 42 degrees, but plenty of dry time early on. As Thursday progresses, we get into the afternoon, we'll increase our rain chance as the temperature jumps back into the 60s. We have a very strong southerly wind in place before that cold front arrives. So preparing now, a warmer day, but there will be rain around. Here's Future Track 13. We'll pause getting into the 3 o'clock hour tomorrow. We're all back in the 60s as the stray showers begin around 3 p.m. We'll advance a little farther as the cold front approaches. And this is going to be the game changer. It'll roll into town around midnight. Could get some rumbles of thunder and some brief heavy downpours as well as gusty winds along this frontal boundary. After midnight, that front continues to push off to the south. The sky clears and cooler temperatures move back in. There is a chance of severe weather with this system, but primarily south of us here in central Indiana. That's where that yellow highlight is from Evansville down across the far southern tier of the state. That's a level 2 from the Storm Prediction Center. The rest of us in that level 1. And that's mainly for the chance we could get some strong wind gusts out of this, but still 5% zone, meaning we're in the lowest category. We just want you to be prepared for it as that line of storms comes through around midnight, late Thursday into early Friday. That system continues to exit. Now we're into our Friday, a quiet day as we head closer to the weekend. That's when the colder air is set to arrive. So we're paused here at 7 a.m. on Saturday. Notice that colder air brings in some moisture as well. At this point, weather models are slowly starting to warm up as we get into the weekend, so the chance of widespread snow is looking less and less likely. Think this is going to start off as a rain event around 1 p.m. on Saturday, and then we might see a brief changeover from rain to snow late Saturday into early Sunday. Then we have more dry weather for the second half of the weekend, but overall it is going to stay cooler. 66 tomorrow, the warmest day in the extended forecast. We drop to 50 behind it on Friday. That chance of rain to a wintry mix on Saturday as temperatures fall from 43 down to 30. We'll wrap up the weekend with a high of 45 Sunday. Then, Alyssa, we're back into the mid-50s to get next week started.